In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a custom page and how to set up course or membership pages. We'll start inside your admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage both your general website pages and the pages connected to specific products like courses, digital downloads, or memberships. The process is straightforward, and once you understand where everything lives, it becomes much easier to build pages that match your brand and your goals. To begin creating a custom page, go to the left-hand menu and select Channels, then click Website. This takes you into the part of the platform where your main site content is managed. From there, click on the Custom Pages tab. This is where you'll find any custom pages you've already created, and it's also where you can add a new one. Next, select New Custom Page. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the page. Choose a name that clearly identifies what the page is for, since that will make it easier to stay organized as your site grows. Once you've entered the page name, click Create Page. That will generate the new page and add it to your list of custom pages. After the page has been created, click the pencil icon to open it in the Site Builder. This is where you'll actually design and customize the page. The Site Builder gives you a visual way to adjust layout and content so you can see how the page is coming together as you work. When customizing page content, use the left-hand menu in the Site Builder to add or edit sections. Depending on what you want your page to do, you might add a banner, text section, or featured products area. These sections help structure the page and guide visitors through the information in a clear, appealing way. If you're building a promotional page, for example, a banner can help introduce the page immediately, while text and product sections can provide more detail and encourage action. As you work through the page, you can edit section elements directly in the menu. This is where you'll update text, adjust colors, and change background images. Take your time here because these details have a big impact on how polished and cohesive the page feels. Keep the wording clear, use colors that fit your brand, and make sure background images support the message of the page rather than distract from it. Before you publish anything, preview your layout on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is especially important because a page that looks great on a large screen may appear very different on a phone. Previewing both versions helps you catch spacing issues, text that feels too crowded, or images that don't scale the way you expected. It's a quick check that can make a big difference in the final user experience. Once you're happy with the page, click Save and Publish. Saving makes sure your edits are stored, and publishing makes the page live and visible based on your website setup. At that point, your custom page is ready to be used. Now let's look at setting up course or membership pages, which follows a slightly different path. Return to your admin dashboard and click Products. This section is specifically for items like courses, digital downloads, and memberships, so any page you build here is tied directly to that product experience. Select the course, digital download, or membership you want to work on. Inside that product, click on the Landing Page or Product Pages tab. The exact option may depend on the type of product you're editing, but this is where the page settings for that specific offer are managed. From there, click Build Landing Page or Edit Page to customize the layout for that product. This opens the page editor so you can adjust the design and content specifically for that offer. The key difference here is that you're not building a general website page, but a page connected directly to a product, which is useful when you want tailored messaging and a more focused layout. That's the full process for creating a custom page, customizing its content, and setting up pages for courses or memberships. Once you know these paths, you can move much more confidently through the platform and build pages that are both functional and professional.